Hi, dear students. Good evening. Today we are going to see about what happens when you switch on your computer or laptop or mobile phone. Okay. In my last class, I have already told you that, okay, the very first software you are going to install in your laptop or computer or mobile phone is nothing but your operating system. Clear? Okay. For mobile phones, mostly operating system is Android. Okay, for computers and for laptops, okay, mostly operating system is Windows. Okay, imagine that. So when you install this operating system, initially it got stored in hard disk or SSD. Okay, please keep this, please be clear up to this level. So operating system is the very first software you are going to install in your computer or laptop or your mobile phone. Okay, now coming to the matter or coming to the concept, we are going to see what happens when you switch on your computer or laptop or mobile phone. Okay, whatever I am going to tell, it is applicable for your mobile phone also. Okay, and I am taking this session for novice learner. So I have told you people many times, okay, please observe this lesson in an aerial view or bird's eye view concept, so that, okay, it will be somewhat easy to understand the teaching. Okay, so straight away, okay, we will jump into the concept. When you switch on, okay, the operating system which got stored in hard disk is getting loaded into the RAM. In other words, OS is loaded into RAM in simple terms. Not exactly OS, copy of OS is getting loaded into RAM. Clear? When you switch on, okay, copy of OS from hard disk is loaded into RAM. A copy of OS is getting loaded into RAM. After getting loaded into RAM, okay, you are seeing username password. Okay, then you are going to type your username and password. Then at last you will see desktop screen. Clear? Okay, in desktop screen, okay, you can see many apps are there, like MS Word app, MS Paint app. Imagine, okay, imagine yourself. Okay, many apps are there. For example, VS 2022 app is there. Then Java Eclipse or Spring Boot. Many apps are there. Okay, in your desktop screen. For example, we will take MS Word or MS Paint. Okay, so in this picture which you are seeing now, okay, imagine, okay, this MS Word. Okay, initially this MS Word app got stored in hard disk. When you double click to open this app, Okay, imagine you are going to double click this MS Word app. Then this MS Word app is loaded from hard disk to RAM. Clear? Okay. So to explain this, I am going to open MS Paint app. Okay. Here I am going to click MS Paint. Okay. If you want, okay, compare this MS Paint with your MS Word. Okay. So when I am clicking this MS Paint app, initially this MS Paint was in hard disk. When I'm clicking this app, when I click this app, okay, then this app which was in hard disk, then this app is getting loaded into RAM. Okay. Now the screen which I am seeing, MS Paint screen. Okay, I am seeing the screen from RAM. Please understand this. Please register this concept. Okay, at present, at current moment, okay, the MS Paint screen which I am seeing now is in RAM. Okay, now if you see, I'm making some changes. So the change which I am doing now is being observed by operating system. I have already told you that a copy of OS is already got loaded into RAM. That copy of OS observing all these things. Okay. So now I am trying to close this MS Paint application with this change. Immediately, okay, I am seeing a pop-up. This pop-up is coming from operating system. When I am giving save, when I am clicking the save button, okay, then only a copy of, okay, this MS Paint file with this Kalkarpi change is getting stored in hard disk. Clear? See, here I am going to test change. Okay, I'm selecting GIF or JPEG. GIF will occupy more space. So here, if when I am clicking save, then only a copy of my MS Paint file, which includes this Kalkarpi change, text change, got stored in, okay, D folder, D drive, inside that my learning folder, inside that, okay, it's going to save. Okay, you need to imagine it got stored in hard disk. Okay, in simple terms, okay, whatever app you are currently working, okay, you are currently working from RAM. You are currently working from RAM. Register this. This is the fundamental. Whatever app, okay, when you double click that app is getting loaded into RAM from hard disk. Okay, the same concept is applicable for mobile phones also. In mobile phone, for an example, imagine you are going to install, okay, Amazon Prime app. When you install that app, initially, okay, that app, Amazon Prime app, will get stored in your mobile phone's hard disk. Okay, in mobile phone screen, when you double click that Amazon Prime app, okay, then after that, okay, that Amazon Prime app, okay, is getting loaded into your mobile phone's RAM from your mobile phone's hard disk. Just compare. Just compare. Same thing happens. Whatever I told now for switch on and shut down the computer or closing the application. Okay. The same logic, okay, is applicable for your mobile phones also. But I think, okay, but in mobile phones, okay, there is no need to save for the application. Okay, suppose if you are opening an app, okay, if you want, you can close, okay, plus have a research. But mainly my concentration is on, okay, for my concentration is for, okay, computer and laptops. Okay, this is what happens. Okay, when you switch on, when you switch off. Okay, whatever application you are opening, okay, that app or application is getting loaded into RAM from hard disk. Okay, if you have, if you have any doubts or clarifications needed, please comment in comment section. Okay, bye, take care students, we will meet in the next session.